Bitcoin is trying to be breaking above massive resistance. This is not going to be the moment to be getting fooled. Bitcoin is exactly consolidating inside of this range, and a massive move is just around the corner. So we are going to need to be talking about that exactly. What is going to be that next Bitcoin move? Because history is exactly repeating. Need to be talking about that and much more in today's update video. So guys, can we once again push up the likes back above the 200 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's a short term. And in the short term for Bitcoin is still consolidating inside of this weekend. Consolidation at around this CME close price is just going to be very likely, which we are exactly seeing right now. So the 98.2k level, that's going to be the level to watch, and consolidation at around this level is going to be very likely during the course of the weekend. Now, even if Bitcoin is going to be creating any kind of a significant move, it is going to be just very likely that at the beginning of next week again, we're going to be retracing to the CME close price with another catch-up move to either the upside or towards the downside to be filling up this CME gap. That is exactly what usually happens during the course of the weekend, 98% of the time. So anyways, having a deeper look into what's the Bitcoin charts, yes, first of all, we are seeing an amazing bounce back towards the upside right now. We've been seeing this bullish divergence exactly playing out. We've been seeing this falling wedge exactly breaking out towards the upside. And we have been seeing a perfect bounce from our level of support over here, where we have been exactly entering our Bitcoin trade. So yeah, still playing out beautifully. The Bitcoin price is still looking very good at this current moment. I do think it is going to be very likely to expect some more continuation towards the upside, and this price target to be getting reached, which is exactly sitting at that previous high, that all-time high, sitting at the 107.5k level approximately. So I do think that this is going to be very likely, but do keep in mind that in that short term, we are in this correction. We have been getting this correction from of that 110k level, which has been the exact level of resistance we have been having a look into us for the past couple of weeks. I've been exactly saying during this rally over here, this is going to be the most important level of resistance we need to be having a look into us. And ever since hitting this level over here, we've been in a correction for the Bitcoin price, and we have been trading inside of this downtrend. So keep that in mind. Bitcoin is still officially trading inside of this downtrend, okay? And we need to be breaking above this level of resistance over here in order for us to actually say that we're going to be reaching our price target. And as long as we're not going to be breaking above this level of resistance, do still keep in mind that we are trading inside of this downtrend and that we can easily see another leg towards the upside getting initiated. But I've also been saying in the last couple of days, I would not mind if we're going to be seeing this correction back towards the downside, because in that case, I'm just going to be entering an even bigger Bitcoin long position at this area level of interest. So yeah, I do think it is going to be more likely that we're going to be seeing more continuation and that we're going to be seeing this breakout target getting reached. But of course, do keep in mind, we are still trading inside of this downtrend. Now anyways, the Bitcoin funding rates are looking very healthy at this current moment, looking very good and very bullish. And if we are going to be having a look in towards our liquidity, definitely the majority of the liquidity is sitting above that 100k price level. So exactly above this level of resistance over here. So that is another reason why I do think that it's going to be very likely we're going to be grabbing that liquidity and thus see a break above this level of resistance. So let's see if we're going to be doing that. I mean, Bitcoin is still trading inside of this bull market, still trading inside of this massive momentum towards the upside. I'm definitely not going to be getting worried at all at this current moment. And if we're going to be having a look in towards history, well, Bitcoin history from of last year is exactly repeating. We are seeing this consolidation range over here with a deviation on the top side and also a deviation on the bottom side. And after both of these deviations, well, the new year has started just exactly like we did during last year. The new year has started after these deviations over here, and then in Q1 we absolutely exploded towards the upside. So let's see if this is going to be happening once again. I mean, I've been saying many times, usually Bitcoin history doesn't exactly repeat, but it certainly rhymes. It certainly gives us that general direction towards the upside, that general direction is probably still going to be towards the upside after this move over here. So let's see if we're going to be seeing our next move towards the upside getting initiated anytime soon. Anyways, guys, massive opportunities are right now coming up in the Bitcoin market. So if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well right now, make sure to be checking out that first link down below, because with that first link down below, you can be claiming a 100,000 US dollar deposit bonus. Now do check if it's going to be available in your country. If it's going to be available, you can be claiming this insane deposit bonus. So make sure to be checking it out. Check if it's going to be available in your country. And anyways, I'm going to be very bullish on the Bitcoin price over here. Trump is going to be entering office again in about 2 weeks from now. So that's going to be having a very bullish effect on the Bitcoin market. And even if in the short term, we're going to be seeing a little bit of a correction, I think this would be the ultimate perfect best opportunity in the market. I'll definitely be buying it because this bullish catalyst is going to be incoming in about 2 weeks now. On top of that, altcoin season has really been getting started. I have been saying it at the exact Bitcoin dominant stop. I've been calling the exact Bitcoin dominant stop over here. We have been seeing a little bit of a correction, but the Bitcoin dominance correction is over now, and we are entering the full-on altcoin season, where the Bitcoin dominance is going to be dropping like crazy. And this is going to be exactly the moment where all of the altcoins are going to be catching up with the Bitcoin price with a massive catch-up move. Altcoins always catch up with Bitcoin at the end of the cycle. So yeah, very excited for that. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, we'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.